Now, we're having some friends over to dinner tonight. So what have you cooked, Linda?
I've cooked some lasagna and I've cooked some chicken wings. We would have had more chicken wings to cook, but half of them were rotten. I don't know why. They seemed fresh when I bought them, but that's Thailand for you. And we're having salad.
Well, it sounds like a very healthy dinner. Now, folks, we're going to have a bit of wine tonight, and we got this classic here, this cask wine. Probably the second time I've ever had cask wine in my life, but we're going to try it tonight because wine is extremely expensive in Thailand, and we just can't afford fancy bottled wine in Thailand. The stuff that normally costs $5 at your local Dan Murphy's is about $25 here. So we've got this as the best we can do. And as far as I know, it's made from grapes.
So we're just at Blueport at the moment, and if you go into the gourmet market supermarket here, you can buy these self-serve salads. They've got a big variety, and they're not too badly priced. Chris has got his there. What do you think of the salads?
Oh, they're very good. Look, by Thai standards, they're fairly expensive, but the quality is really good, and every now and then they're okay. So that salad there has cost, what's that, $8 or something? Yeah, so it's certainly not cheap, but they're good and they're nice and fresh.
And they're healthy.
And they're healthy, yeah.
You've got a lot of dressing on yours.
Yeah, that's a pretty big salad there. Well, we're heading off now to Mr. DIY, which is, what type of store how would you describe that shop, Linda?
Oh, well, it's got a lot of craft stuff. It's got a lot of household products. I'm not sure if it's got a lot of DIY products though, has it?
Well, no, not really. No, you can get a bit of basic plumbing fittings and hardware and things like that. But anyway, what we have to do today, we have to get a rice cooker because ours has gone bust. She's busted.
Rice cookers never last long.
No.
And then we don't eat a lot of rice, so I don't know why they break all the time.
It's not as if we put them under a lot of stress, do we? You know, I mean, they wouldn't. I'd hate to think how long a rice cooker lasts for a typical Thai family. They'd probably get 2 days out of it. She's busted.
We saw a rice cooker the other day that took how many kilos of rice?
Oh,
was it
like
20?
12, no, like 10 kilos. 10 kilos, I think, of rice. Of dry rice.
It was massive. I've never seen such a huge rice cooker.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, you could bath a small kid in that rice cooker. It was that big. Not turned on, of course. I'm not saying we boil a kid like rice, but anyway, we only need a small one, and they're a little bit harder to get, like a 3-cup or 4-cup rice cooker. So we're going to go to Mr. DIY and see if we can get one. And we also have to get a few other things, but that's the most important thing.
Look at what we got here.
Yeah, look, she's blowing out again. Yeah. Oh, that's nasty.
That is nasty, that one. We're just buying some pots where the cats won't knock over. Oh, they're nice too.
Yeah.
This is a gorgeous little nursery here. There's so many like this in Hua Hin. They sell beautiful plants. I think we need some new plants too because the cats wreck them.
So these are the ones that cats destroy, don't they?
These ones. Purchases in the back. How much did they cost, Chris?
So those 3 big, what are they, terracotta
Yep.
pots. 3 big terracotta pots, well 2 medium sized, 1 real big, 410 baht. So what's that about, that's about,
$16?
yeah, about $16, something like that.
$20. Yeah.
Say $20.
Yeah. Awesome. Okay, Chris, what did you buy this time?
Well, from Mr. DIY, I bought a pair of sports gloves. Here we go. You know, just for when I do my handyman work around the place. And I bought some packs of wire. You never know when you need to fix something and tie them up with wire, you know, to keep the show on the road. And I also got a couple of pairs of yarn scissors.
They're mine. They're for my sewing.
Oh, they're for your sewing. I thought I was going to claim them because they're quite sharp, you know. They can cut things quite easy. So that's about the extent of it for me today.
Well, you can show them what I got.
Oh. And I got a couple of these things. They're mozzie repellent things because mosquitoes are a bit of a problem here, unfortunately, being a tropical country, and dengue fever is a bit of a problem at the moment. So we have got a couple of those, and we've got the holders where these go into, right? They seem to be reasonably effective. And look at this, what else I bought? Some a couple of little cat toys.
I bought those.
Oh,
they're
bought
for
them.
Cleo. Cleo loves those mice and we keep on losing them. I don't know whether they get sucked up in the vacuum cleaner or what, but
Yeah.
I had to replace them.
Okay, so that's it. That's it. Very successful morning.
Cleo, look what I bought you. Hey, some new mice. Yes. You like them? You like them?
Not really.
Oh, she'll play with them later, won't you?
So we're not allowed to film in Mr. DIY. That's why we had to show you when we got home. I mean, this is quite common in Thailand. A lot of the shops won't let you, a lot of the bigger like chain stores won't let you film in there. That's all right, we work around that. And yeah, that's it. All right, so we're going to replace this thing here. And we got, as we just showed you, we got these from Mr. DIY. So we do have to keep the mozzies under control here. It's a bit of a health concern. You probably use these at your place too, but we try and keep them going pretty well here. Oh, hang on.
It's not going to fit?
Oh, yes, here we go.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah. Perfect.
Excellent.